I'm going to record. Okay, so sharing the screen. You guys can see my screen, eh?
I'm just waiting on mine because it's windy in Cape Town, guys.
Yeah.
Especially where I am with the sea. God help me.
Everyone can see my screen, eh?
Yep.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm waiting on it.
Okay, we're just waiting
I'm
with John
waiting on
quickly,
it.
but I'll go in so long, John. It's recorded, so you will be able to have it in the
Yes, we can
group again.
because you recorded this.
Yeah, so it's
Because
all good.
really, Nathan, the wind is really bad here by me.
No, I understand,
Thank
John.
you.
But I don't want to keep everyone up, so I'm going to go straight into it and you will get the recording. Okay, guys, so I went in the Hookmaster earlier. I'm
Yes,
going
I
to
will
show you.
just.
So I'm going to send you all these prompts. So this prompt is already there. Create 5 hook examples based on a topic. You will, when you go into your hook master, you will see the first prompt that is done for you. So now I've just went a little extra. So it says ChatGPT or the hook master saying, I'm ready, drop the topic and will whip up 5 fire hooks for you. Let's go. Now I said to him, before you start, please deep dive into lovegood.com and then ask me clarify questions for me to get the best John Cannon style hooks to use on TikTok for promoting the membership as an affiliate for Lovegood. I'll send you that. That one you can use exactly the same. Then he will come back with you with the
Okay.
clarify questions. Are you guys with me?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes.
Nathan.
So then it will give you the
I
clarified
can even
questions.
see now.
Here, I want you to read carefully so that you can answer it. I'll show you what I've answered. So when you go down, you click this button over here. That's to copy it, and you can actually paste it in your prompt area, and then you will answer. That's what I've done. So I just click copy. I clicked over there and I pasted, and now I can actually answer all the questions. So this is the copied one with the answers. Okay. So it asks me target audience. Are you focusing on individual seeking side income? And you guys will be able to read this. So I answered all of the above. And OSEC and struggling digital marketer who's looking for something easier and not technically. Okay, so now I know the hooks is going to be around for this target audience. You can play around here. What do you want? Guys, remember the hook machine is giving you unlimited. So if you're not happy with that, you can always come back and start with the prompts again and say, okay, my hooks is just focus on digital marketers. I am sick and tired of digital marketers. I want to maybe focus on moms at home or whatever. Doesn't matter as long as you answer your target audience and he will do, or this machine will do the heavy lifting for you. Then it asks you primary selling point. Do you want to emphasize the affordable 9.95 month membership? Now, guys, this that you're seeing here is because I prompted this thing because I know the power of it. And I said to him, he must go deep, dive into lovegood.com. So he knows exactly what we are doing. So here he's just emphasizing on the 9.95 membership. He's asking you the potential of earning commissions and some of it on the health. So he's asking you, what is your primary selling point? So here you can also play a bit around with this answer. I said more this 9.95 membership, the potential for earning commissions and some of it on the health based on what he asked me of the business. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yes.
So you guys can play around.
Okay.
You will have this prompts, not the answers for you so that you can have the best answers in. Then the other clarified question he asked me is personal experience. Have you achieved noticeable success of milestones with Live Good that can be highlighted? Here you need to put in yours. If nothing, tell him nothing, and he will then answer you. Okay, well, how you can do your personal experience. I just said yes. I categorize in 1 month from uncategorized to silver because of the spell. But anyway, you fill it in. He's clever enough. So and then we go to tone and style. Do you prefer a direct, hype-driven approach? Ek het vir hom gesê all of the above. You can pick single ones and do one by one, or you can do all, or you can say add more for me, so that I can pick by question number 4. I said all of the above. I'm happy with hype-driven approaches or more subtle or informative tone. Okay. And in the call to action, he will cover that also for you. What actions do you want the viewers? I said we have a WhatsApp group to get more and learn from real people like you and me. So then I know my call to action will be focused on that also. Then I'm not so salesy. I'm just telling people to go to my link. I'm also giving them a roadmap or something that I want him to create for me. Okay. And once you provide it, it's just telling you, then he will then answer you. So now I hit enter and this is what it's giving me. So now perfect. This gives me exactly what you need and you guys can read that further. I don't want to keep it too long and here my hooks are. It gives me a hook and a sub hook. So I can use this hook now, not the sub hook. I can use the hook and go to the script master and throw it in there. And the script master will then create a video script for me with my hook in, my sub hook in, call to action, and all of those things. Okay, but when we're going to go over to the script master, I'm going to explain to you. But for the clever ones, and I think it's all of you, go play around with it. Take these hooks that it's giving you and see what kind of scripts it's giving to you. You can just copy and paste, hit enter, and it will give you a script. Okay, later on when I do the training, you are more familiar because you paid for it already. So you have it in your arsenal. Use and play around with it. But this prompts, guys, is very important if we are focusing on Live Good. The tip that I want to give you, this hook here, before you start, please deep dive into Live Good. So, for example, you've got DBA or you've got any other product that you want to sell and it's not focused on Live Good. This is your machine. You can use exactly the same prompt there and you just add in here where livegood.com is, you add dba.com or you know what I'm saying. So you can play around with this prompt, keep this prompt, and the hook master will do exactly the same. When we go to the script master, I will show you some shortcuts and tips, pro tips that you can use, which I've learned from John. That's going to make a big difference. Now, guys, if I wake up tomorrow morning and I need to make a video, I'm going to come here, copy in the script master, shoot my video, bombastic, there the problem is done. Any questions on that, guys? Julle is moeg man, julle wil gaan slaap, so is reg. So as long as we jump off the call and you guys can use these things, that's important for me. Now I'm not that guy you're on TikTok that's just selling products with you and then you don't know how to use it, you can't use it en hy het lekker vir geld verdien. Hier kom Brian nou eers op. So talk now, that's why we have the Q&A. Because now I'm going to plan and work with the script master so that I can have training for you guys. Also live, so that you can ask questions and stop me. Okay, we'll go around the clock like I do in church. Rene, any questions?
No, I'm all good.
I see Abby is there. Give the baby to him. Say you're in the money-making business. You must keep the baby so long. Raise any questions on...
I'm just trying to sleep.
Raise any questions on what I've just said now with the group?
No, I'm all good, thanks.
Mrs. Gina, we're going to skip you. You, Mrs. Moneybags. So you're all good. Arik, you happy? Arik, you happy? You are muted.
Does it?
Oh, there you are. Go ahead.
Yes. Does it give you subtitles on when you make the videos?
What do you mean subtitles?
Well, for instance, now when you put it into the hook master, then it gives you or that way does it?
No, so if you, for example, and that's why when you see the video, I explain what hooks are, okay, and why hooks are important. Hooks are there to stop the scroll. So we have a verbal hook. It can be exactly the same text hook that the hook master. Remember, it's text that it's creating for you. So that text hook you will put in on your video, maybe on top of your head there, okay? And the subtitles and those things are driven from TikTok. You can just add that. Whatever comes from your mouth, they will be able to read the subtitles in the viewer.
Okay.
So
clear.
You don't need a machine for that. Okay. Thanks for that question, Ari. It's like they said, there's no stupid questions. Rather ask here now you're looking for subtitles in the Hookmaster. And then we can clear it up.
Yeah.
Julio. John, any questions?
I'm just playing around with it. I'm just looking at the whole thing and I'm like, Give me more, give me more, give me more.
It's unlimited. It's unlimited. Yes.
No, I'm okay.
Okay. Tina, want
Yes,
to ask
me
something?
extra. No, no, no. I asked about two. I asked about two questions and I go because I don't want them to kick me out. Most I go, then I come back and I'm like, okay, wat was hy nou weer? En dan sê ek vir myself, laat ek dit gewoon neerskrywe. Laat
I
ek dit
love
dan
it.
lees later.
I love it. Guys, my advice to you on that day,
Thank you,
please,
Nathan.
thank you, John. Please don't upgrade your ChatGPT yet. I've got the paid version, but remember you first want, and I don't like us to spend money all around the show. Use the ChatGPT. Take the restriction for now until you get better engagement and you know what you're doing. Then I'll think that will be in the next step. Sometimes we jump the gun. So use the hook machine to your benefit and just take the restriction for now, man. I just think that makes perfectly sense. Sometimes we just feel the FOMO.
Mhm.
If I have the paid version, some magical things is going to happen, guys. I promise you, nothing is going to happen. The only difference is you're going to have more time on your ChatGPT. So just bite it out for now, as my word of advice. Zina, your hand was up.
Yeah, I just want to know your hook machine. So if you use the right size hook and the right bait, are you going to catch any fish there in Cape Town?
Zina, that's why you have private calls. I love Zina's humor. Humor. Sometimes it's dry, but it's all right. Lekker Zina. But I love it. Yeah, Zina, thanks for the fun part in it, yes. Saida?
No, I'm also very intrigued about it. I love the fact that when I punch in something and I'm not happy with it, or well, I'm not actually am happy with it. It's the fact that anything that I do with it, I get an answer on it. But what you explain now to me is also very informative. So ask, and I keep remembering this. I ask direct questions, and that is what I got from it. Yeah, so I do get answers from it.
Just make sure it's clarified questions, eh? Because now,
Clarify
if you say
questions.
clarified questions, you are forcing what's ever written inside that he use his power to make sure he's aligned with you to give you better output.
Okay, it's basically you literally tell him this is exactly what you interest in, and then he does it. Yeah, he
Do
does
all
his
the heavy
thing,
lifting
and
for
then
you.
he does it. Yeah,
Just
no, that's
remember,
amazing.
Saida and everyone, when we do the hook master, no one is guaranteed you each hook everyone is going to watch. That's why you have the analytics. So
Yeah.
whatever you get from that, you can even tell him this hook is not working.
Okay.
I still have 0.5% watch time. I still, so that he can rectify whatever is written inside.
Okay.
So it's
Okay.
amazing. That's the power of artificial intelligence. So yeah, guys, that's me for tonight. I think I'm happy. I feel comfortable. If you guys are not mentioning anything to me, then I can't help you. So I think this is enough for tonight. My other advice is just go play around now. I will drop the
Yeah.
prompts. Watch this video again. I will send it to Joan, Brian, and whoever missed it. It will be in this group, this video, and you can click on the link and just watch it again. Maybe you missed, even you guys, it's
Thank you,
on
Nathan.
tonight. Eh? Thank you guys. Have a nice evening. Bye bye.
Thank you.
you.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Yes, Arik.
Lekker
Thanks for joining, Arik.
Sa-
Ek stuur net niks link vir jou nie, Arik. And it's recorded. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. What you still doing?